In this video, I'll show you how to create a rule in Outlook to move emails. If you want Outlook to automatically organize your inbox, creating a rule is one of the easiest ways to do it. A rule can move messages from a specific sender or emails with certain words in the subject straight into a folder without you having to do it manually every time. Microsoft's support pages confirm that Outlook lets you create rules from an existing message or from the rules settings. And one common action is moving messages to a selected folder. First, open Outlook and find an email that matches the kind of messages you want to move automatically. Then right-click that email and choose Rules, then Create Rule. Or in Outlook on the web, you may see Create Rule directly when you right-click the message or open the three-dot menu. Microsoft says, this is the quick way to build a rule based on a specific message you already have in your inbox. Next, choose the condition for the rule. For example, you might want to move all emails from that sender or all emails with a certain subject line. After that, choose the action. Move the item to folder and select the folder where you want those emails to go. If the folder does not exist yet, create a new one right there, then confirm your selection. Microsoft's instructions specifically mention selecting a condition, choosing Move the item to folder, and then selecting or creating the destination folder. If you want more control, go to Settings, then Mail, then Rules, and choose Add New Rule. From there, give your rule a name, set one or more conditions, and choose the action to move messages into a folder. This method is useful when you want to create something more specific, like moving invoices, newsletters, or project emails into separate folders automatically. Microsoft's support pages list Settings greater than Mail, greater than Rules as the main place to create, edit, run, and manage inbox rules in newer Outlook experiences. One more helpful option is to run the rule on emails that are already in your inbox. In some Outlook versions, you can choose Run this rule now in Inbox when creating the rule, or use the Run option later from the Rules section. That helps you clean up existing messages right away instead of waiting only for future emails. Microsoft also notes that rules are processed based on their order, so if you create multiple rules, you may want to review the order they appear in. So the basic process is simple. Pick an email, create a rule, choose the condition, select Move to Folder, and save it. After that, Outlook will start organizing matching emails for you automatically, which can save a lot of time and keep your inbox much cleaner. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.